now I'm here in Polo Grounds where the counting for the 2 assembly seats of the by-elections is going on. The latest reports tell us that it is EUGENESON LYNGDOH Mawphlang from Mawphlang constituency who is leading over his rival Congress INC candidate KHYRIEM. As of the Mawryngkneng constituency, reports say that it is PYNIAID SYIEM who is in the lead now over rival Congress candidate HIGHLANDER KHARMALKI. What we have received from RAJABALA is that NPP's ABDUS SALEH has won the seat to the 47 RAJABALA Assembly constituency. These are the latest reports, and we are awaiting the declaration of results to the Mawryngkneng and Mawphlang constituency assembly seats. With Refulgent Karnayor, this is Bethlehem Dakar for Media Plus. The results of the by-elections to the assembly constituencies of Mawryngkneng, Mawphlang and Rajabala had been declared today, the 2nd of November 2021. Counting started at 8 a.m. in Shillong and in Tura. The results were declared in the late afternoon, whereby the NPP candidate from Mawryngkneng constituency, PYNIAID SYIEM, won the assembly seat over Congress candidate HIGHLANDER KHARMALKI with a margin of 1,816 votes. The winner of the assembly seat from Mawphlang constituency, UDP'S EUGENESON LYNGDOH Mawphlang, defeated Congress candidate KHYRIEM with a margin of 4,401 votes. On the other hand, ruling party NPP won the Rajabala seat with ABDUS Saleh winning over Congress rival HASINA YASMIN MONDOL with a margin of 1,926 votes.
Dia kata ngatrai kamdai su ke bertemai, dia ke allegation unu kandidat barem usuang baik bangirem nomor bagi ai pisah. Dia kata ke ba julong ni berbuat, dia kata ngamlah ban kong bangan friend unu hanrai ke ba khaddu kalau mau pi ndon kseram ndon lupa. Namara ba syania gi ba dia kandidat ba tunjuk ru ke parti ngatrai kata ke bedun kam. Ba kipai ba lalong kunung nulu syania ya ka NPP bat kumjuk ru ya ke UDP. Namarngi penjeng bro lai tali de hapo Mawphlang ijob i Pak Eugene ibadai naka partner sidumi naka yang jom ka UDP bat kini ke atali pe lagi job i kawi kerja bala bat kawi ka Mawryngkneng tingi sro ngu sku burom ye ki pai ba nam tebut bat i ya ke jing don kat jong ki bani bat nang ni chmat ni nak pau su di kam ke jing bangin trai bahan ka ta jong pai ba ke jalan